Hey guys, we are back here at our house build in Oakland County. Again, this is a spec house, started from the ground up. If you watch the earlier videos, you'll see everywhere from when we poured the foundation, looked at our outside site, worked through the framing, looked at a couple key things, and now we're here. Really excited because you're starting to see the site take shape. You're seeing what this house is going to look like. We got our brick up here, nice neutral but beautiful colored brick. I mean, I'm really excited. I think it goes well with the black windows. We went with a more modern feel on this project, which is really going to pop with homeowners. It's just not something that's standard, not something you see in every project. So today, we're just doing a quick update. It's been about 3 weeks since the last video. We went on vacation out to California, and now we're back, and we can get back on this project. Luckily, our contractors have been working the whole time. The big thing right now is getting this building all sealed in. It's already been dried in because we have a roof, but now we get it sealed up. We got to get the rest of the doors on because pretty soon we're going to get some low temperatures here in Michigan. We're going to get to the point where we're below freezing on a regular basis, and we want to be able to pump warm, dry air in this house to keep this place conditioned, to stop anything from warping, and to make it comfortable for our crew. We care about our crew because we think they're going to give us a better product. They're going to want to come on our sites more, and as you know, even though the economy is all over the place, construction is booming. Great time to get into the trades. Subscribe to the channel as well, like this video, and I think you're gonna get a lot of value out of this. Walking from outside the house into our huge 3-car garage, you can see it's really starting to take shape behind me. I love that we have these high ceilings. This is gonna allow someone to have a ton of storage and possibly even use this space as a conditioned space in the winter. You could easily add an outdoor heater here, which we always want separate from the indoor furnace. Little things about that, you never want to put your furnace air into your garage or vice versa. In your garage you have lots of VOCs, different things from paint, different chemicals from your outdoor stuff, and then of course cars. So you always want to keep it separate. Again, tons of options in this garage. Quick update, we haven't had a ton of movement yet. Right now we're waiting to get our brick on the outside, and then the next step inside is going to be insulation, and then we can move right on to drywall. So as you see behind me, I'll take a couple clips. We're losing light here, but we're basically done with all of our electrical. We have our electrical inspection complete, which of course is a crucial step. And in this project, because it's a spec project, we don't need to walk through with our homeowner to look at any box locations or anything like that compared to what you would do with a custom build. That saved us a bit of time here, another great aspect of a spec house, why I recommend it. So I'll show you a couple of electrical things we walked through. We're here in the kitchen. We have everything roughed in. You can see how we ran all of our wiring straight across. And what we did, we kept all that wiring consistent, even though we have lower outlets and upper outlets at our standard counter height. We kept that consistent. That way it keeps all the wiring in one spot. That's good for insulation because you don't want more gaps in your insulation than you need to. So always think about those things. Think about things that's going to keep your site clean like that. Just little things like routing the wire correctly is going to make a big difference when it moves to your next trades. You always got to be thinking about what is the next trade gonna see, what are they gonna need from the trades beforehand. And those are the really big things that make a contractor or a general contractor an asset on the job as compared to someone who doesn't have the experience. So join us next time, guys. This is just a quick update. Hope to see you once we have installation here.